Yeah. It's just like frames in my head.
That's a terrible analogy.
Frames.
Frames.
All right, I'm doing my check down.
I'm going to the top of the map. Top mid to watch their top mid.
I'm gonna go to the pool table.
Yep, you want to go antenna?
Yeah, sure.
Search and destroy.
Let's do this, gentlemen.
You secured the bomb.
He's
Stun?
not barbecue. He's not alley. He's not AC.
I don't see anything.
Oh,
for
there,
mid.
left side. Under the ladder. He had a strategy.
Yep, I'm kind of just watching our cat push there.
What the fuck? He just didn't even break my shit.
Wow.
Where?
Satellite
1 minute left.
in front of the pallets, like
Their
in the
side?
little yeah.
Oh my god.
Deeper thug on the pallets to the right. Yeah.
There, I see him.
I got fucking like
We have the device.
beamed.
What the fuck?
That's the guy. He just got a 1v3.
30 seconds remain.
Doug, what was in A? He's probably gonna be like on the couches or something like that.
To your left, to your left.
You know?
We lost that round. Ready up
Good
for
try,
the next
good
one.
try.
This guy stunned open the right doors and then got me.
What the fuck? Does he have
And they threw an immediate stun down the hallway, which like slowed me down.
Search and destroy.
I think I'm just
So,
gonna play
what did they
close
do right
inside. One satellite.
one satellite? I have one over here by like soccer field.
Saber 1. Set security on the objective.
Don't know where the other two were. One was in A, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But oh. One's one there, top.
Stun one, pool table. Coming into you, you have two dead.
I got
Another one pool
one.
table maybe.
You busted.
On me outside dead.
Behind you, Chris.
Oh my
This round is
god.
ours.
You had to
Yeah,
let
mine
me
are
know
Ready up for the
you
next one.
busted out that door. I'm over here like lost.
Game.
I'm over here lost. There's a fucking
Switch
kite.
inside. Search and destroy.
Kites don't get lost that often though.
This guy went under ladder.
Yo, can we?
Alright.
This guy went soccer
Saber
field.
one.
He didn't come
Set a
over here
charge on
like
the
AC
target and
last time.
detonate
He
it.
went to like the right side by the box.
I'm just gonna
You've got
ignore
the
him
bomb.
and just.
He went to the right.
I'm alright. I'm one shot. I'm one
Went to the
shot.
right door yet.
Yeah, one shot. One shot.
I got one bottom mid.
He ran out of that door.
AC now. I do this AC.
One is kegs yet.
Alright.
One just yeah. Keg's dead.
Final minute.
What do you want to do here yet?
I'm just smoking
Oh,
this.
AC drop down, Thug. He's bottom right.
There's smoke.
Corner E,
There's
E.
left
That's
side.
me.
yet?
That's me.
Oh, okay.
He's inside of B. He's literally inside of B.
You guys should see you can get an A plant because you guys only have one at A if one's inside of B.
I'm dropping the Craig's right now. Closing Craig's door.
There's one in A.
He shot at me. On A dead. Let's go. Last one's
Yeah,
last
yeah,
one.
good shot.
Launching bomb at Alpha.
I'm watching your Craig's door right here.
You
just
hear
gotta go
him?
watch the door.
Barbecue.
All Saber. Device is set. Stand by to detonate.
Tapping in for chasing.
We
Alright.
took a victory there.
What's
Prepare to
barbecue?
repeat it.
Barbecue is that
Is
The,
There's
the balcony. The platter
Top
balcony,
mid, like,
yeah.
where the tent is and all that extra shit.
Basically the plat.
There's a bunch of barbecue girls up
Switch
there.
inside.
Right.
Search and destroy.
Damn, they threw a
This
lot
right
of
here,
those
this right here
nades
in front of us, Fridge is barbecue. That top out right there. That's all barbecue.
Okay.
I was lost.
All
They
Saber.
threw a lot of
Secure
stuns and tried to hit
perimeter
us.
around the objective.
Yeah.
Child that.
Oh, they naded themselves.
In their bottom green. I'm like all the way in their back spawn, guys. If you guys give me a second, I can probably work them.
I'm waiting for you.
Do we know if one's their top mid?
Don't know.
I don't see
I'm
the
at-
antenna area. I don't see the
I'm
antenna
here.
area over here, guys.
One busted a door here.
Busted the door where?
A.
Across on me. He's our side barbecue.
Bottom A going our side. Bottom A
Our
going
s-
our side A. He's on their bottom doorway underneath like outskirt like catwalk.
Dead.
Outside catwalk. Underneath catwalk to your left here, I think.
Alright. Yeah, I think I hear him.
He's like antenna area.
You hear him where? Antenna?
He was like
Like,
antenna
yeah,
area.
somewhere
side.
around
30
there.
seconds.
Weak. Going. Pull.
Pool table.
He has a tap.
Nice.
This round is ours. Ready up for the next one.
Nice.
Damn, he's still one shot. That's how you know I
Switching
That's an effective trade.
Search
My
and
dude isn't
destroy.
even fucking playing, bro. To be honest, just gonna check him down.
He's just trolling on
Double
AC.
I'm just gonna go steps. I'm just gonna go
Pool
steps over
table.
here.
This
I'm
guy
gonna go
hits
steps
keg every
over here.
time.
All Saber.
Alright, I'm just not gonna go
Generate the
bottom
target
mid
to
then.
win.
I'm just gonna go up the side door. The right,
You've
the
secured
right
the
side.
device.
Come on. Didn't go barbecue.
Nothing keg.
Should I try to make a run for B?
One broke through the doors into our building.
You good, Thug?
Yeah, I got my dude over here B side. Watching our. I dropped B side over here. Pick up antenna real quick, guys.
Final minute.
Well, keg right now.
Had your back, Tommy.
Oh, good. Naded him on kegs.
I'm in A.
Looking down your hallway yet?
I'm a plan.
Yeah,
I'm a
I
plan.
was-
Coming through their side.
Kegs.
Going to you or towards me, Aiden?
I think he went back.
30 seconds remain.
I'm gonna try to pick up the bomb.
On
though.
top, up top.
I bet.
Setting
You can
device
bomb
on
that.
Alpha. Stand
He's on
by.
top of
We've
you.
secured the bomb.
Got him.
We took a victory
Nice,
there.
good play.
Prepare to repeat it.
Did he not see you? Just ran right fucking past you.
You really can't
That's
see
actually
in that.
crazy.
In
Switch
that
inside.
corner right there behind those double doors, you really can't see somebody.
Search and destroy.
It's kind of difficult. I got Daddy right here. I'm gonna try to hit the top mid. From antenna side.
Alright.
All Saber. Defend the
I'm gonna
objective.
keg.
Got my Daddy.
Did someone go top and watch top?
I can.
Keg.
Got one.
Good
They
shot, good shot.
naded me. One's close outside of A door. And there's one
One's
there.
at the top, one's at
There's
top.
one bottom
They're top
pool
dead,
too.
They're top dead. They're top dead.
Bottom pool's dead.
Alright, there was one next to the A door. Not sure if he's still there.
Like near
He's not
kegs
back
or
door,
to
he's
the
not
On
back
the
door.
right side.
No. I checked it right now. He's not here.
Okay.
I can see your pool hall.
1 minute
So
left.
I'm in
then,
bottom bar. By pool.
yeah, maybe there's one at pool. That would be it. If you got both, I'm not sure.
No,
I
I
got
got the
one
guy at
top
pool.
mid.
I already got the
I
guy.
got
at pool.
A.
Okay, so then we don't know.
I hear him to my left.
This round is
I
ours.
think that was.
Ready up for the next one.
I don't remember
He was
names.
in A the whole time.
He literally had a triangle pinch on him right there.
Switch inside.
I like that
Don't
nade
know.
that he did. That was
Search
kind of
and
nice.
destroy.
He
Yo,
just
yeah.
naded keg straight up. Yeah.
If you prone right here on the left side by the building, you could watch them cross onto antenna.
I don't want
All
to
Saber.
watch it.
Plant
I've
a
just
charge
been
on the
running
target
in.
and level it.
Okay, let's just keep playing in case you want to.
Yeah,
watch.
You've got the
gotcha.
bomb.
I gotcha.
They didn't go AC. They didn't go barbecue.
Keg.
Try to rush me.
Nothing
Oh, he
keg.
dead.
Nice, big win.
I gave up keg
Alright.
to watch antenna push.
There's one in keg somewhere.
You sure?
Yes.
Deep
Maybe
antenna,
keg?
absolute. Deep antenna,
Final
absolute.
minute.
On this rock.
I
In
don't
your
see
spawn.
him. Oh yeah, I see him. He's weak, so weak. Hey, you got him. Yep, that was a good trade.
Bomb
I got
secure.
the bomb. I got the bomb.
On the top
I'm gonna
of the
push
side
across to the
over
other side.
here.
Yep.
I'm on their side. I'm already on their side.
3v2, by the way. One has to be chilling in A. Cause that we didn't check it
Yeah,
at
yeah,
all.
Thug, I'm gonna challenge Jay.
I'm here with you, Tommy. Let's go, brother. I'm jumping in, Tommy.
Got you
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Final 30
I'm getting
seconds.
the bomb down. I'm getting the bomb
Planting
down.
bomb at Alpha.
How many?
He's in
Wait,
A,
how
in
is-
A. He's literally on the other side of the door. He's
Nice.
nice.
Big win. Clinical.
Good
Mission
game.
complete.
That was a good game.
Solid work.
That was swift.
Thug, that was nice, bruh. The way we just took over A like that. That's what
And
we
then
gotta do.
3, 2,
That's what
1.
we gotta do. That's what I was getting on to you and Yip about the other night. You guys
Yeah.
had to just 3, 2, 1 it.
Yeah.